Good day, I'm Coach Steph. Nice meeting you and thank you for completing our short form. I've been a coach now for these transformations since 2009 already. So yes, I've been there, done the deal. So I've lost 14 kilos, 130 centimeters, and I feel just absolutely amazing. We have a few clients already that was in the top 10 winners. First we had Muele, then we had for Chantal, and then we had Yolanda, and we had Tony, and then I had Tarsius. He won 3 times, and then his wife Monica as well. And obviously I also won the last May challenge. It's not only about the weight loss, it's about shaping up, and that's what we do. We focus on the transforming of your body. I'm also super excited to welcome you to our team, as also to help you to get your results that you desire, that you showed us. So the only thing is you must change, and you must decide you are ready. If you just want to be in the waiting room, ask me to look at the waiting room to see what it's about. So if you're interested and you're ready to go, click on the button below, the WhatsApp, and send me a WhatsApp. Then I know you are serious and we can get you started. We've got a few program options that you can start with.